Look at that view. Wow, these smell really good. You can smell these. Alright, today we're at the Caretakers State Park, and we're going to show you around the gardens here. It's kind of different from what we normally do, but you know, sometimes you gotta just stop and smell the roses. The last time we were here, everything was blooming all at the same time. So look at these roses.
They smell good.
Wow, these smell really good. You can smell these. There's a bird talking to you there. Off he goes.
Maybe they don't have any weeds in here.
They have a good gardener.
Look how big this one is.
Get the picture of this going in. Originally, this was a timber baron's estate. It was purchased for his wife as a gift for her birthday in 1907. Later, in 1942, it was sold for $29,000 to the state of Oregon to become a state park. Unfortunately, World War II broke out, and the property was used as a army base, barracks, and an officers club. Look at this thing. Later on, in 1977, the state finally got around to establishing Caretakers State Park, at which time they transplanted some of the roses that had survived and some of the other vegetation, redesigned it, and made it what it is today. We can go down around the outside and go back over there. That's where the trees and elephant ears and all that good stuff are. Look at that view. This series will be coming out every 2 weeks, and in between we'll give you a video, maybe a mine explore, or some old buildings, or just some really neat scenic stuff. Stay tuned. Don't forget, we have the Nugget Challenge over on Patreon. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and share. Leave us a comment if you see something you like, see something you don't like. We'll read it. I'll respond to it, or at least, you know, give you a check mark, let you know I saw it. All right, well, till tomorrow, we'll see you later. Bye.